Hi. Every now and then I just have a few little micro moments of information, and it's in preserving foods or using foods or whatever. And so this won't take but a moment, but my grandkids may want to know some of this information so that they can do it, and possibly it'll be useful to you. I have purchased a few things. Let me turn this around. I got some Jiffy mixes, very cheap, and so I put them in a half-gallon jar. The cornbread mixes, I happen to put, for one Jiffy mix, it would be 1.5 cups of mix to 1 egg and 1/3 cup of milk or buttermilk. And I filled it up. If I seal that, there's no way that weevils or anything can get in it. I also purchased a bunch of chocolate chips, and we love those. But if I seal them, it only takes a second, and then use some and seal it back. Here I got a larger quantity of slivered almonds. If I will seal this and take all the air out, I've kept nuts on the pantry shelf for 3 years, and they stay just as sweet and don't go rancid or old at all if the seal does not break. I've had them there for 3 years, and they store beautifully on a pantry shelf. And here's just some macaroni. I don't want weevils to get into that, so I'm going to hurry and seal it, and I'll show you how I'm doing that. Okay, I just sealed the chocolate chips. Because all you have to do is unlock it. If you were going to put the stuff in bags, you'd put it here, put it down, and lock it. But instead, you just lock it each time and push canister. And it begins to suck the air out of the jar that you are trying to seal. When it stops, you break this seal here, and remove the lid. Hard to do it with one hand, but remove the lid and add the ring. In less than 1 minute, I have 4 half-gallons of food items sealed and ready to put on the pantry shelves. I forgot to mention that with this, you can use your used lids. It does not have to be brand new lids too. So that's really nice to be able to do it. It gives you a little more security, and it certainly keeps all the bugs and any issues of moisture out. Try it.